Good afternoon. Got home from vacation and my garden had exploded. It always does. And it's kind of like the fun of having a garden. You go away for a week and you come back and it's like a whole different world. But I thought I'd do this potato reveal. I had some extra seed potatoes, so I put them in these big containers here, these big planters. So I'm going to go ahead and tip this out and take a look and see what we have. Well, basically, here goes nothing. Wasn't sure if these were reds or whites or what. Hopefully I'll get something. I did do the reds before. I didn't tape it, but I knew these are mid-season potatoes. So I made a bunch of potato salad with them. Anyway, let's see what we get. Yeah, some pretty good looking spuds. Must have mixed in a little bit of red with the whites. Nice looking grub, good looking worms here. That's a pretty good looking one. Oops. Kind of like a new potato. These are like those Walmart specials, so I don't even know what kind of potatoes those are. Maybe somebody can answer that question. That would be great. I think that's it. I knew there wouldn't be too many in there. Kind of a small container. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. And I got a bigger patch of these in there. The potato plants are starting to die off, so I know they're kind of getting ready, but we're going to give them a while longer. Anyway, have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching.